Hi everyone, it's Debbie. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you're new here, my channel is normally about reselling. However, I have a video that's a little bit different today out of need. In addition to our home, we have an apartment that we're spending a few days a week at now also. And so I had a great need for an air purifier. So today I'm going to be unboxing. This is the Dreo True HEPA air filter, and I haven't opened it yet. I'm going to unbox it, then I'm going to use it for a little bit and then come back and tell you how it worked. The reason why I'm reviewing this is because we got this apartment. When my husband and I first got here, we were here for a couple days, we both started feeling horrible, and we both got headaches. My throat got really sore and itchy. I got really gunky, and he had some similar symptoms also. We went back home, it all cleared up. We came the next weekend and immediately we felt like that again. We put on a movie, I laid on the floor and it got so bad. And I thought there must have been animals in here because it is affecting both of us greatly. So a company reached out and asked if they could send an air purifier to me. And I thought, wow, usually I don't do things like this, but I'm going to, because that could be a key to feeling better, because we signed an 18-month lease here. I do not want to feel like this. I'm going to unbox it, use it for a little bit, and give a review of how it worked for me and if it did make a difference. And then I'm going to tell you how this apartment relates to my channel and reselling and thrifting. Okay, so let's open this up. And they're not paying me to make this video. They sent me the air purifier for free, which is awesome. And if it does not work, then I will send it back and you will never see this video. So if you're seeing this video, it means it's good. So, I will not know a lot of the technical things. I've watched some reviews, and there are some reviews where they really get into the technical things, but this is not my specialty. Okay, scan or visit dreo.com/warranty to extend your warranty. There's a support email and phone number. That's great. And you open it up. Oh yay, a quick start guide. So it says step 1, put it upside down, rotate the bottom cover to unlock and take the cover off. So, oh wow, that's a nice little fit. So far it looks very nice. And it is True HEPA air purifier. Okay, so I'm going to stand up here. It's packaged nicely. It looks very nice. So I'm going to take this out and this and this. So now I have all the parts. Step 1, put it upside down, rotate the bottom cover to unlock and take off the cover. Okay. What? It's already off. Okay, it's already off. Okay, remove the filter from its packing and then put the filter back. So, attention, before use, check the filter and remove the plastic bag. Okay. If you're here from my thrifting channel, I got this knife at the bins. It's called Forever Sharp. So I bet this costs about 40 cents at the bins. Then, okay, this looks nice. Okay, so remove the filter from its packing and put the filter back. Looks like you just slide this in. That's pretty easy. And then you press and rotate the bottom cover clockwise to lock back in location. Okay, I am not good at putting things together. This was a cinch. Okay, so I like that so far. Okay, now risk a fire. Make sure the plastic packing has been removed from the filter before operating this air filter. Okay, then it has using your air filter. Filter change reminder. Oh good, it'll tell me when I need a new one. Filter reset button, timer button, sleep mode button, manual mode button, power button, auto mode button, turbo mode button, and child lock button. It looks like it plugs in right here. And we will go plug it in the middle of the living room, so it's kind of centrally located. And then I will come back after a week and then after 2 weeks and see if it's made a difference. Okay, I plugged it in. Okay, that is low. You can barely hear it when it's on low. That is medium. That's high. Or there is turbo. There is a timer button that you can select to have it turn off after 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. There is also a child lock button that you can press for 3 seconds to lock or unlock the buttons. Then there is a filter reset button that will tell you when you need to replace your filter. To reset that, you just hold it for 5 seconds and it will reset it. Nighttime mode. That's really quiet. If you select the auto mode button, it will adjust the speed automatically based on your air quality level. If you look at the very front of the Dreo Air Purifier, there is an air quality indicator light. When I first plugged it in, it showed red, which means that my air quality level was poor. Okay, I'm going to leave for 5 days and I'm going to leave it in this mode and see what it's like when I get back. And after a few days of leaving and having it running, I came back and it showed that my air quality level was blue, which is excellent. Okay, it is a few weeks later and I love the air purifier. It has made such a difference. I feel like I'm in such a unique position having the apartment and being there for a couple days and then coming back home. I can really tell a difference because when we initially got the apartment, I would go there and I would immediately feel really bad. I would leave and go back home and my symptoms would clear up really quickly. So I knew it was the apartment that was affecting me. And I have a feeling that it was probably pets lived there before because it's a pet-friendly apartment. And I love animals, but they just cause me a lot of allergies, and my husband also. So the first week that we had the air purifier, I unboxed it, turned it on, and left and went back home for 5 days. When I came 5 days later, it was so much better. I did not immediately clog up and have my throat very sore. I would not say that I was 100% symptom free, but probably 90 to 95%, which was huge. I felt so much better. I was thrilled. I leave it running all the time. So this occurred for a couple weeks, then 1 week. I left for 4 to 5 days and somehow I turned it off or unplugged it. When I got back, I felt horrible. Those symptoms, those same symptoms came back and I thought, I know it's this apartment and I know that air purifier makes a big difference. After I turned it on, after a day, I was feeling quite a bit better. After 2 days, I was feeling so much better. So I know that it does make such a difference. And as a side benefit, it really helps me sleep. I put it in the bedroom when I go to sleep at night and I put it on medium and it's just kind of like having a white noise and it lulls me to sleep and it really drowns out the background noise because when I'm at the apartment complex, there are cars all hours of the night. It's very noisy. My sleep was interrupted all the time. With the air purifier going, it's solid through the night and it really drowns out any noises. So that's another benefit of it. So I am so glad. I thought it was so ironic that they sent me that email and offered to send it to me when I had that specific problem. And normally I don't do any type of reviews or accept products. Couldn't pass on this opportunity and I'm so glad that I took it. And I highly recommend this air purifier. I absolutely love it. I am so happy that I tried it and definitely recommend it because it has had such a positive effect for me and how I feel and my husband also. So if you are not here for just the review, if you're here from my channel, I wanted to tell you I have this apartment. We got it several months ago and just because I was needing to go back and forth and I was driving 100 miles each way multiple times a week and it was just too much and I needed to be here a little bit more. So we got this apartment. We ended up taking the furniture from upstairs. If you saw my first video and a couple other videos, I filmed upstairs. So we took the furnishings upstairs. We took the bedroom furniture from 2 of our guest bedrooms, so my husband actually has a golf room now, and then upstairs I have the entire upstairs for reselling now, which is really nice. But beyond just the basics, I'm going to furnish everything, all the decorations, all the kitchen items, just anything you can think of beyond just the basics, I'm going to go thrifting for and see if I can make it really nice on thrifted items. So this is part 1 of my new apartment adventure. So I will have several more parts where I thrift and find things along the way. It's crazy how much you need, because since we still have our home, I couldn't just take everything from our home. This is like starting over from scratch. I'm like, oh, we need silverware. Oh, we need a vacuum cleaner. There are just so many things that we need, and that can be a big expense. So I'm really excited to try to find great deals to furnish this apartment and make it look really nice. So, okay, I knew I was going to need dishes right away, so I went to Goodwill and I got this set. Some of them are in the dishwasher. I've already used them, but this is just a threshold. I like them. I thought they were nice. There were no chips or anything. I got this hand towel from the Goodwill bins. Chocolate doesn't ask silly questions. Chocolate understands. I got this cute little casserole dish, this red Plaid, and it does not have a brand, but I like it. I think it's adorable. And then I got this at the Goodwill bins, and I thought that was a cute little mat. I absolutely fell in love with this lamp when I found it at my local Goodwill. It is massive. It's probably hard to tell just how big it is, but it is heavy. I think it must weigh at least 15 pounds. That's another thing I'm going to have to look for, is a scale, but I just absolutely love it. I think it's beautiful and such a high quality piece. And there's the air purifier. I thought I would quickly run into my local Goodwill and see if I could find a couple things for the apartment. I found this adorable Harry Potter Hedwig mug that my daughter Morgan will love drinking out of. I sold that Fox racing cap fast for really good money. It was in my last what sold video. Then I found this plaque that says, "Live a good life," and underneath it says, "And in the end, it's not the years in a life, it's the life in the years." And I love that. I thought that was such a great quote. Then I found this framed piece of art that I wanted to put in my bathroom, and I thought of an idea. I'm going to take everything that is in the piece of art and try to duplicate that in that bathroom. So I'm going to look for a little wire basket like that, a stool, towels that look like that, the little brushes in some clear container. So that piece of artwork is going to be my inspiration for decorating this bathroom. And on to another Goodwill in Oklahoma City. I love it. Morgan found this piece of art and I absolutely love it. Jason was obsessed with giraffes when he was younger, so I thought he would really like it also, and the frame is so pretty. So I am going to continue going to Goodwill's, and I will take you along as I'm going shopping, and then in my next apartment video I will show you the different things that I found and the progress that I'm making on it. So thank you so much for watching, and everybody have a great day. Bye.